Hello and welcome back. If this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. In today's episode, we are going to jump right into it and continue a previous conversation about file types that you should know. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the PNG, the WAV file, and the DOC file. If this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started.
A PNG, or Portable Network Graphic, is a high-quality, high-data graphic file. In many cases, computer users prefer PNG files over JPG due to their quality and their ability to support varying degrees of transparency. Unlike JPG files, PNG files do not lose quality or data during compression. This ensures that your work will remain in tip-top shape over time. Much like the PNG, the WAV file is a comparable upgrade to that of an MP3 file. Waveform files encode audio data. When saved as an MP3 file, the audio recording sacrifices some of its authentic sound for manageable storage. The WAV file enables the user to encode audio and maintain the original sound quality. Though the file can be large and difficult to share, this is a preferred file type for podcasting. So far, we have discussed an image and audio file type, but what if your file is neither? The equivalent for a document file type is DOCX. This file type is a proprietary file format for Microsoft Windows, more specifically Microsoft Word. When completing a Word document, the results, unless otherwise stated, will be saved as a DOCX file.
As always, I greatly appreciate your time and willingness to want to enhance your digital literacy. Until next time, my name is Dalton, and I'll see you later.